Okay, we're gonna put a window in this lid so I can see inside this washing machine. This is a fairly new washing machine. As you know, these new appliances are all water saving. I don't think it works that well. I want to see what's going on while it's running, and it locks when you close the lid. I'm actually gonna modify this lock mechanism so that I can open the lid while it's going. This washing machine doesn't have a pole in the middle, an agitator pole. That's, I don't know, maybe it works good without that, but in any case, I don't know how much water fills up. This could be a lie. This says that water fills up all the way to the top. I'm pretty sure that is not the case. So, yep, we're going to cut a hole right here, put a piece of acrylic, not glass, but a clear piece of acrylic right here so I can see what's going on while this washing machine is running. This one is not turned at an angle. This one is turned at an angle. Okay, now we're going to glue the acrylic sheet on top and let it dry for a day or two. Let me get this piece of paper off. Bought this online. I got 2 of them for like 20 bucks. Nice. We're going to glue it with that. Dry? It's totally dry. Well, I don't know if you can see that, but it does seem to be totally full to the top with water. I have it on the highest setting for the most water, and the water is at the top, so I've been proven wrong. there you have it. I still don't think this is too efficient without that agitator pole in there. But, you know, maybe I'll install an agitator pole from a free old washing machine into this. Just thought of that. We'll see.